Hello all, I wanted to make a short video demonstrating my redesigned bracket for holding 3.5-inch composite screens in a Raspberry Pi Game Boy Zero. Now what I'm showing here is the original bracket designed by Kapakahi, I believe. Now these little blocks are screw posts. They're designed to be put into the top of the Game Boy here and glued down. They need to be precisely aligned left and right, and they have very little surface area for glue. It's a complicated process to get it right. Here I'm modifying the case to accept a screen. Now we're going to use a little bit of super glue to go ahead and glue the new bracket in. As you can see, it's a large retention clip with a lot of surface area to glue it into the case. Now be sure to put super glue between your finger and forethumb to properly glue them together later. It self-aligns left to right and simple to glue in. I'm going to set this aside and let it dry real quick. Now here I've gone ahead and cut out the entire screen and made it ready for the 3.5-inch composite screen. Here's a screen protector I bought. Here's the 3.5-inch composite screen. I have another video about how to convert this to 5 volts, and I'll have a link in the description of where you can buy this screen. Once you have it in the bracket, you simply slide it under the retention bracket, and it's held down. Now the other side is held down by a bracket slash button retainer that is held down by the button PCB. Unfortunately, I do not have a button PCB to demonstrate this. There it is, held in place. Here I'm going to connect up my Nintendo and show you a little bit of video. It makes for a nice, easy, clean build without any hot glue on the inside of the Game Boy.